Hello, my 8th graders. We've got some RobotC training to get through. Here we go. Now, we're going to refer to our Gateway Vex Testbed PowerPoint. And this is going to take us through. Remember how I said this is a very long PowerPoint, but we're going to walk through this and learn how to start working and programming our robots. So, what I'm going to do is I'll first open up my RobotC for Vex Robotics, and I've already got it open here, but if you look, we've got our round green RobotC icon. You open it up, and we should have this page right here. So I'm going to go back real quick to my PowerPoint, and I'm going to skip ahead to slide 6. So, slide 6, we're going to go to our RobotC features. We're going to go to our platform type. I'm going to come up here. That's in our robot, and remember, if you're looking here, we've got a screenshot. So we're going to robot, to platform type, and we need both Vex 2.0 Cortex and natural language selected. So, robot, platform type, Vex 2.0 Cortex, that's already there. It's selected because we see the dot. But I need natural language PLTW. So I click that. Now my platform type is saved. My next thing that I have to do, my next step, skipping slide 8 to my sample program. By opening up a sample program, we will have a framework for a good program to write. So I go here, I go to File, Open Sample Program. Then I'm looking for PLTW. I open that folder. And then I'm looking for the PLTW template. I open that. As soon as I have this open, what I need to do is save this as something else. I don't want to write over my sample template. So I'm going to go File, Save As. And I'm going to save it in my documents, and we'll call it whatever we want to call it. I'm going to call mine Practice. I hit Save. Now my next step that I have to do is set up my motors and sensors. And if we look here, we'll see that we have, I'm skipping a few slides because it's going to talk about our words. I believe I expressed that in class already. If I look here, you'll see we have colored words. Remember that when the words turn a color, that's when the computer recognizes them. So green means that it's just comments. Remember also, this is where we write our code. This is where errors will be. This is our browser for our library of functions that we will want to do. So I'm skipping ahead to slide 14. And we are going to see testbed motor and sensor setup. Now, that's right up here, motor and sensor setup. I will then go select my GTT testbed, and you'll see a picture of it pop up there. I'm going to hit apply, but I need to double check to see if my motors are all plugged into the right place. In actuality, in my testbed, my left motor is actually in port 10. So I have to change that. I'm going to go no motor here, and we'll go with my 269 motor there. And I can delete this motor here. Now, I could have also just changed and plugged my wire from my testbed into port 3, but I want to show you how we can change this here. Notice there are no spaces in my words. I have left, capitalized the second word to M, motor, and I've typed that in. My analog, those are plugged into the right places, and my digital are also plugged into the right places. So I'm going to hit OK. Notice then I have my list of where things are plugged in as my hashtag pragma configurations. Once I have done that, I'm going to compile my program, which allows everything to sync up. When we compile, we're just syncing it all up and seeing if we've if we have everything. You notice I have no errors and nothing here. So this is how we set up our file for our program here. I'm going to stop here and we'll start another video explaining how to write the code. All right.